Guys, what's up? Last time we had game viewing and you saw the wild animals living right here in the bush. That was amazing. Today, I'm going to show you the accommodations. So stay tuned and enjoy watching. I stayed in Lindani for a month and had the chance to experience everything it has to offer, including the accommodations. Let me show you around the first lodge I stay at when I arrived here. It's called Molopit Tented Camp. Here in the campsite, they only have 4 tents. So I think I have show you right from here. Start from there. And the third one is where my tent is. And the kitchen is there. And the pool is there. And now, right here is another tent. There is a shower here. They also have a hot and cold. Okay, let's check if it is working. Yes. Yeah, you can see it's working. Yeah. Alright. But aside from that, this is not the only shower room, but there is also another shower room right here. Let's get inside. What's inside the shower room? Yes. And next, we're gonna go to the toilet. Okay. What is in the toilet? Yes. So this time I'm gonna give you a quick tour to what's inside my tent. Okay, so come and follow me. Pasok tayo, aray ko. Yan, so this is how it is. Ayan. Ito yung bedroom sa loob ng tent. Papakita ko naman sa iyo dito banda is yung toilet nila. Oh God. Ayan. Yan, pailawan natin. Cute. Tingnan. So I think I have shown you already what is inside the tent, including the kitchen, the shower room, the tent, inside the tent. I hope you enjoy that one. What you're making there?
Pork belly.
This is how we spent our evenings at Molope. Tom prepared pork belly and cooked it over the fire. We made a fire to keep warm outside the camp, and I really enjoyed chatting while sipping the wine and watching the flames dance. Dinner was a delightful combination of grilled pork belly and a fresh vegetable salad. All thanks to Tom. We also had a bit of fun playing cards, and after that, we got our beds ready. You see just how dark it gets, with only our lamp to light the way. It truly felt like an adventure. In the morning, the first thing you hear is the loud grunts, yucks, and wahoos of baboons playing about. What a way to wake up. It really does have the jungle vibe.
Hello. She gets shocked. Hi. Oh, good.
Hi guys, good morning. So guys, ang gawas jud ko karon sa among tent kay grabe kasaba ni mga unggoy. Gusto na ako makuhaan. Gusto na ako ma-videohan ug kung sa asa ni sila unsa ginabuhat ngano kasaba ba kay sa ibabaw sa saba ba kay sa gawas dagan kay nagulkol unya kanang basta saba siya. Maka-distract siya sa imong pagmata. Pag gawas pa lang nako, sus Ginoo ko tuwa sa gawas no. So idlas kay mga unggoy. Idlas nimo sila mabasa-basa ko makuhaan og video kay kuan grabe sila ka idlas as in nya they are playing around na tingala ko unsa ba nahitabo sa ibabaw sa tent no. Aon taning pamadlungon ni ako mga kalahi no kay kasaba ba kay sa tent. Sulod na tabalik sa tent. Yeah. Patuloy ni siyang isirado permit. To make sure na dili mang lulod ang mga unggoy diri ug uban pa nga klase nga mananap nga mosulod diri sa imong tent kay my gosh dai kung pasagdan na nimo nga open biyaan nimo nga open imong tent wa na mag-expect na lang jud ka nga imong mga gamit diri sulod sa tent is murag giag-iag bagyo or murag bagyuhan kay manulod jud na sila then mambungkag kay mangitag pagkaon so ana lang so every time you go maski sa kitchen kung mo leave manggaling ka sa kitchen or sa imong tent make sure na lang jud nga naka-close ang tanan mga bintana o mga putahan para walay makasulod na mga unggoy especially ng mga unggoy kay mo ni sila dali kaayo nga makasulod kay paspas kay ni sila managan mga makinana and then abti kay ni sila nga makakitag pagkaon nga ilahang kuan nga ilahang saitan nga ilang kuhaon so na abti kay sila so dapat be wise pud ta. Kailangan di ta magpa-tuntun nila, no? So, ana lang. Everything is provided here in the kitchen, and all you're gonna bring is all your stuff, your food, your drinks, and whatever it is that you need. Okay. Aside from that,
Yes.
for cooking barbecue or for making barbecue is also provided in here. So you will enjoy the camp. You will enjoy your camping the whole time, and you can also burn a fire right here, yeah, and this side, yeah. So that's what we did last night. And not only that, my favorite one is they have a pool. Yes, they have a pool in the camping site. We are going to have our breakfast, and we are only have this, what do you call this one?
Granola.
The granola and
Yogurt.
Yes.
Strawberry yogurt.
Strawberry yogurt. So I'm gonna show you. Wait. Okay, so here it is. Yeah. Okay. So all this time I'm gonna show you what we have, what we are having for today for our picnic. We have here chicken wings. Yes, the chicken. We brought also some bread, sliced bread, and kind of brownies. We also have some kamote cube, bayuta, pinaglutuan ni. So, and some leftover sausage. No need to show that. And look what we have here. We have hams. Yes. And squash, vegetables. We also bring vegetables. So we will eat veggies and healthy lifestyle. And we also brought some cheese. So we can't live without cheese. More bread. And butter. Yeah. This is very, very essential if you're gonna make some.
Just be careful, that one's got
God.
marinade there.
For marinade. For the barbecue. And this one, liver pate. Okay,
Rice.
so chicken.
Rice.
Rice, oh. He brought me rice. Because I can't live without rice. And I was,
It's okay.
yeah. And I'm glad because he brought me my smoothie. Yes. I'm starting having smoothie on my first as my first meal because I'm not having breakfast. So it's only for lunch. Alright, so we're now ready for preparing our food for today. And that would be our lunch. Okay, that is for lunch. Okay, bye.
Tom loves to cook for us every day, and I just help with the preparations. He introduced me to some wonderful South African dishes, and he does it all so well. He really spoils me.
So this time I am enjoying sandwich Western style, which is called Sami in South Africa. Yes, you're right. Sami. Come on.
Lastly, I'd like to show you my favorite spot here, the swimming pool, nestled in the middle of the jungle. It's a refreshing place to relax. What I particularly love about it is the peace and quiet along with the sense of privacy. The only sounds you'll hear are the wildlife and of course, your own little mishaps. Now it's time to leave Molope, and our next stop is a place called Marula. So stay tuned for the next vlog. Bye!
the same.